In this video, we're going to look at a few tips for making engaging screencasts. So, 5 tips plus 1. Number 1, keep them short. Keep them under 6 minutes. If you have to deliver more content than 6 minutes, break it up into separate videos. Tip number 2, don't agonize over stumbling over a word. Don't try to re-record and re-record until you get it perfect. You'll spend way too much time recording. And besides, small mistakes add authenticity to your recording. Tip number 3, feel free to use the embedded webcam, but also feel free not to. Some people like to put their webcam down in the bottom corner of their screencast to show them talking. Other people find that it's really distracting. It's your voice on the recording and your content that will help your participants connect. So don't feel like you have to, but if you want to, go right ahead. Tip number 4, no one likes the sound of their own voice, except maybe Adele, probably. Everyone feels the same way when they hear their voice, but just remember that it is the voice that everyone else who knows you and loves you hears every time you talk, so don't sweat it. Tip number 5, limit your motion when recording. This is a big one. Don't move the laptop around. And try to stay still when you're talking, because as you move your head, you're moving it further away or closer to the microphone, and that can cause the volume to be really inconsistent. And your bonus tip is record your screencasts in a closet. The sound is perfect in a closet because your clothes make a great sound baffle. Your second closest is your car, but if you're using an extension like Screencastify, your issue will probably be Wi-Fi. If you're in your closet but you also want to use your webcam, put a sheet up behind you. It's just a nice quiet place to make these recordings, and you don't pick up sounds in your house from other people walking through and doing things. So there you go, tips for making a screencast.